Good morning, futures traders. This is David on July 14th, Thursday, 2022. I've already made some on this one, on the NQ. My recordings are, I've had a little issues with my recordings. So let's see if we can catch something on the ES and or the NQ. Well, I'm going to hold off on the ES. Maybe the NQ can give me something. I made it in oil not too long ago. Show you that went along, and that was good. And I made this too a few seconds ago, trying to figure out this right here on a long. Okay, so let's see what happens. We'll just focus on the NQ.
Order filled.
Here we go. Let's get up there. Move you down to here, the trend line. Come on, get back up there. Oh, come on. No. Come on, let's go. It wants to go up.
Order canceled.
Yay! That took a little while. It'll come down.
Order filled.
Well, let's take a look at what we got there. Alright, strategy. I think it's going to be a slow day today. If I wouldn't have screwed up the first video. 244. So that's roughly 54, 5400 roughly, yeah. $5,400, 96%, and 172,000 for the month. If you do that every day. So, yeah, I'm sorry I didn't have a chance to show you this. This was a fighter too. Let's see where it was at. Yeah, came up, pulled back, boom, it fired off one, and it just kind of dragged. 53 minutes, fought its way up, about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, and then she was good. So 5, 6, 7. Hey, we're right on schedule, so I can't complain there. So, all right, well, thanks for watching. I'll keep the videos coming.